Well, our next friend is Nuri, Halperin, and it's not lasagna, but it's programming languages and how they taste better. I think that's what that says, how programming languages taste better. Come on, welcome Nuri to the stage.
Hello, CodeMash. Thank you. I'm lifting my palms. No danger here. So I'm going to talk about the next version coming to a language near you. vNext is all about the evolution of language, the next iteration of your favorite programming language, the improvement that you never thought is possible, but in your heart you already felt it's needed. So first language, Python. Python is a language where space matters. See the theme? Okay, okay. Are we awake? Anyway, it's massively popular. It's great. Space matter. Things are called Pythonic when they, gel just right, or otherwise they yell at you at the forums. The big improvement to Python, of course, is to make white space overrides for those of us who do not want to indent everything. So for that, we introduced this curly thing. And in the new version of Python, you're going to be able to indent like the print over here, or just be all the way to the left. And by adding just these enclosures, you can program like you do in any other language. In order to introduce this, of course, we have to introduce a standard, PEP 913, and we introduced a new character called the M brace. The M brace is very close to the brace. It looks kind of similar, but has a little more space around it, which is very Pythonic. JavaScript. Who doesn't like JavaScript, right? JavaScript is a lingua franca of the web. It feels very simple. It has a very simple type system, only like 7 to 9-ish. Actual types within it, it's interpreted. But something's missing. There's many ways to compare things in JavaScript, but I figured we can introduce one more. So without further ado, I'm introducing the tilde-like thing. It's the kinda operator. And the way the kinda operator works is that if you have, say, 1/3, and you kinda compare it to kinda equal 0.33333, it evaluates to true. ToString, again, if you console.log or error or whatever, pi that has many, many digits, it's kinda 3-point kinda. And then, of course, if you have other numerics, 4 billion is kind of like 4,000,000,001. 4 billion is kind of like 3,999,992, same number of digits. And it's also 4 billion is kind of smaller than 4,000,000,001 because JavaScript. Now, some of you may think, oh, will you get confused between the tilde and the bitwise not? And the answer to that is kinda. The community has pretty much started testing it. A lot of people say it's true to form to JavaScript, and it's groundbreaking, except for this one guy, Douglas C. D. Crockford. He said, what? Anyway. Ruby. Ruby is an elegant language. It's compact. It's truly object-oriented. And it has a rich ecosystem of gems. What could be introduced to Ruby? It's such a great language. Flaws. That's what can be introduced. If you didn't have any flaws, like nobody wants you. Like just come back to us, come down to earth, maybe you'll be more popular. C#, very good language. It's type safe, multi-paradigmatic. Many versions, many things, but what it's really missing, I think, is Lisp. So now with the next compiler, you'll be able to start your line with open parentheses and just bang out a bunch of Lisp. This program is a very elegant way to do factorial. I think truly a gem. And lastly, Java, enterprise-grade Java, object-oriented Java, everything throws exception Java. What could be added there? Well, for Java, we're going to introduce the pre-GC. The pre-GC will collect garbage before it made it to production. The way we're going to do it is we're going to introduce a Spring Java ORM SQL garbage annotation, and it will just charge you for every join you do, for every extraneous byte you dig out, and every extraneous byte you put in. So with that, we're going to quash the garbage that Java introduced us into production. So this is it. I encourage you to get on the forums and encourage the makers of compilers to introduce and support these features so we can all enjoy them. And I know I personally am very excited to see those make it into the v.next. So thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, Nuri. Actually, I really like Lisp. The only program language I'm really any good at is Lisp because I can go shift, paren, shift, paren, shift, paren. That's all I can do. But after this, we're going to have a rave, and we're going to do the Pythonic, Python, come on, people. Pythonic, I guess none of you are coming to the rave. That's okay, Jem. I know others are coming.